There is so much to be said within one word: ocean. The ocean is life, resource, culture, community, people, competition, survival, storms, energy, sustainability. It's also something else. It's personal discovery, traveling to some remote, undisclosed location, crystal clear, warm water, sunbathing all day, and the stresses of normal, everyday life seem to cease to exist. And yes, as we all daydream of this, it's just not everyday life. So, when I hear the word ocean, a rush of thoughts come over me. Wind, temperature, tide, swell height, swell direction. Surfing is the bottom line, but it goes much deeper than that. It's a true art form, drawing lines on an open canvas, painting the skies with strokes of water. It's solitude and clarity, simple and yet complex, powerful, and its beauty is undeniable. It's these open ocean swell lines traveling thousands of miles to hit the shoreline to put this smile on that face. It's a culmination of days adding up over the years, creating memories and experience. And this is the spirit of surfing, and it all revolves around the ocean. It's the segue that connects all walks of life across the globe. And there is no better way to connect than sitting down and talking story over food and drinks. So, let's cook some food and pair it with this Rosarito Old Fashioned.